This is Delver number 2 at the Courtyard by Marriott in Parsippany, New Jersey. We're going to go up to 3. Door close button does not work. Here we go. This is also very sentimental. Epic motor. Very similar to the number 1. Back down to 1. Yep. Installed in 1998. Look up the shaft. There's the ice machine. Close the door. Here's Rainbow Dash in her very first Schindler 321A from 1998. Installed in 1998. Similar to the other one. Look in the mirror. Who do you see? Hi. HT regular. Hands-free ADA code flat phone. This one's in more shape than the other one. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Gosh, it's got a lot of abuse. This thing got a lot of abuse. Sheesh. Let's listen to the machine room. Schindler control panel over there. Capacity 2,500 pounds. Hi. Let's proper your Parsippany Troy Hills. Let's listen up.